This is a midge that I love to use for wintertime trout, particularly in this color variation. To tie it, we'll start off with some black wire, along with some small wire. Here I'm using the color rust. We'll grab 2 strands of our wire, secure it to the hook shank, and wrap well into the bend of the hook. And if you'd like to pick a few up, you can find them listed on my website. With our wire secured tightly in place, we'll reverse our thread's direction back up towards the bead, this time taking our time to build up a nice smooth transition towards our bead. Doing so by wrapping up almost till we reach our bead, leaving a bit of room at the head of the fly, reversing your thread's direction and doubling back up to our starting point. You can do this as many or as few times as you like to build the profile you're looking for. Once complete, we'll grab our wire and begin to wrap it forward in close touching spirals. Using one wire that's slightly larger than the other will help add some texture, and continue to wrap your wire forward until you reach your thread. Once complete, we'll secure it tightly in place, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind our wire and helicoptering the excess free. We'll then grab some dubbing. Here I'm using a nice dubbing of black that's blended with red. Create a dubbing noodle and begin wrapping a small amount up towards the head of our fly. Pull everything backwards, taking a single wrap in front and brush it out to give it a nice buggy look. Grab some UV resin. Paint it over your thread before whip finishing to hold it all together. We'll snip our thread free, secure it in place with a UV light, and this is a simple wire midge that is surprisingly successful on the water. This is one of my favorite color variations, representing red that you often see in midges. However, it works quite well in many different colors. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.